Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Remitly account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Remitly application. Choose your language for Remitly and tap on Continue. On the next page, tap on Create a New Profile option. Choose your country to send and receive money and tap on Sign In. Enter your email address and create a password for your Remitly's account and then tap on Join Remitly option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can sign up for your Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.